Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. I've had quite a few viewer requests and today is another one. I'm making spicy grilled scallops for xingcat. I realize for many of you, grilling season doesn't start for a couple of months, but for quite a few of us, grilling season is all year long. Let's see what we're gonna need. I have 24 sea scallops. We'll be using sea scallops instead of bay scallops because we are going to be skewering these and the bay scallops would be too small. Speaking of skewers, I have 8 wooden skewers that I've been soaking in water for about a half an hour. These are flat. If you only have round skewers, you'll probably need 2 to keep your scallops from spinning around. We'll be marinating these in a combination of pineapple preserves, chili garlic paste, ketchup, and other spices. As always, the ingredients are listed here, as well as the full recipe and instructions in the description box below. These are only going to be marinating for as long as it takes your girl to get together, so we don't need too much preparation. Once this is mixed up, we're going to reserve about a 1/4 cup of it for basting on top of our scallops on the grill. I'm putting together the garnish for these scallops. That's a 1/2 cup of chopped cashews, about 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, a teaspoon of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, and about a 1/4 cup of scallion greens. It's time to give these spicy skewers a taste. I know they're good because I've had them several times before. So good. Little bit of a kick. Perfect. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind the scenes pics and videos and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.